Tita Krista her new phone.
New heat dropping, man, you know the vibe. Whole new level, got the channel on fire.
So guys, we're right now here at Robinson's Ermita. So guys, we're gonna look for new phones for my Tita Krista. So first, we're gonna go to Beyond the Box shop. So guys, we're looking for a store that has the best deals.
Why orange? Look at the color. Oh. Which one? This one na lang? This one na lang. I can see your eyes on the orange. This one.
But first, let's eat. Let's eat churros, guys. So we decided which store has the best deal already. Tita got her phone na, guys. Tita, are you happy?
Yes! Yay! We got it in blue. Yay! It's just updating lang.
So after buying Tita Krista's phone, we are now here at Esplanade. guys, I'm gonna try the cucumber juice at Teka's Juice. The taste is really good and I rated 8 out of 10. We wanted to try the empanada but the line was too long. So we're gonna try the fries at French fries. Okay.
Okay.
So guys, the fries from wait, this is gonna French fries, and it tastes good and alright, and I would like rate it like 8 again, 8 out of 10. So guys, my mom is buying empanada and my tita Krista is buying shawarma rice. So guys, I'm gonna try the shawarma rice.
And then they drizzled meat sauce.
Protein.
Oh, yum. There's also white onion.
So guys, the shawarma rice was good and I would rate it like 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10?
So it was not bad and I kind of want to rate it like 5 out of 10.
What's your score?
5.
Anong flavor? They just eat it.
It is whole. It is
Yeah, whole. And then you breathe through your nose. Through your nose.
Huh? How do you do that? Zoom out, diba? Akala ko. May lumalabas sa ilong.
Yun, dito.
Tapos yun. Wait up! Kaya?
thank you so much po from watching you.
So guys, my experience here was good, and my favorite food that I ate here is fries because I like the ranch sauce. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Peace!
Keno, yeah, let's get it.